The Secret Wonders of Bingöl. Look, Kerem. We made it, shouted Elif, pressing her nose against the train window. Below them, a city nestled among snowy, towering peaks. This was Bingöl, the land of 1,000 lakes and ice, famous for its cold springs and high mountains. Their uncle, who lived there, told them, "Bingöl is special. The name means 1,000 lakes. We have icy rivers, hot sun, and some of the best mountain honey in the world." They packed their bags. Adventure was calling, starting high up. Their first stop was Hesrek Ski Center. High above the city, the snow was perfect and powdery. Kerem strapped on his skis immediately. "This place is amazing. It's one of the longest ski tracks in eastern Turkey," he yelled, gliding down a gentle slope. Elif joined him, carefully navigating the beginner's area. "Did you know Bingöl is also known for its strong earthquakes?" she mentioned, looking up at the high ridge. "But its people are known for being just as strong and resilient." After the rush of the slopes, they drove deeper into the countryside. The mountains here weren't just rocky. They were striped with green pastures and carved by deep river gorges. Bingöl is where the mighty Murat River begins its long journey. "But where is the really mysterious place?" asked Kerem. "The one you told me about? The island that floats?" Uncle chuckled and pointed a mile ahead. "It's called Uzun Ada. It's not really floating like a boat, but it sure looks like it." They hiked up a gentle hill, overlooking a crystalline lake. In the middle, a large, lush green patch sat bobbing gently. It was the floating island. This island is actually a dense mat of tangled roots and moss. As the water level changes or the wind blows, the roots trap air pockets, allowing the whole patch to drift slowly across the lake. It's an incredible natural phenomenon. Elif felt like she was looking at a secret garden lost at sea. They spent the afternoon exploring the Bingöl canyons near the city of Solhan, marveling at the layers of rock sculpted over millions of years by the water. They ate local Bingöl specialities like kavurma and stuffed meatballs. The next morning, as the sun rose over the 1,000 lakes of melting snow, Elif hugged her uncle. "Bingöl isn't just about cold mountains," she smiled. "It's about ancient beauty, thrilling adventures, and finding strength in nature." They waved goodbye, promising to return soon to explore the rest of the hidden treasures of Bingöl.